guys, it's Lego Mike again. So please click like and subscribe, and we are going to be building a a bunker in Minecraft. So this is what it's going to look like, and it cannot be blown up by TNT, and I'll prove it because I have laid out a bunch of TNT along the whole spot of the bunker. So let's blow it up. As you can see, it cannot be blown up by TNT because it's made of bedrock. So let's get started. I'll show you how to make it. So we're gonna be needing to be like on a cliff, kind of, if you want to be able to like use like a bow and arrow, or maybe some kind of maybe like some snowballs. So right here looks good. It's on a cliff, and so yeah. So we need to, so first you need to get some bedrock, and you can test it with TNT, and you can test it with TNT to see if it blows up or not. So you're just gonna first we're gonna make the walkway up to it. So if somebody tried to blow it up, you would still have a walkway. Oh, there's a snowball. And like you could use snowballs, throw out of the window. But I'm not gonna do that. Or you could use like a bow and arrow. So you just gotta make a pathway, and then out of bedrock. Or you could use nether, but I'm using bedrock. And then once you get to the spot that you want to make it, almost done. Once you get to the spot that you want to make it, which is right here, you got to, and I'm in creative, so you gotta just go 1, 2, and the path is 2 blocks wide, and you gotta go 2 off each side, 2 blocks off each side, and then forward you need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then just make that a rectangle, so it's like kind of looks like a basket, and then you can fill it in. And then yeah, so just fill this in. Okay, so once you've filled it in, then you are going to make the walls. So first you'll lay out, we'll just do the front of it. So just lay out some blocks on the whole front, and then just go up one, and 2 across, or actually no, you go like that. But if you wanted to, you could make it wider, so you could have 2 windows, or you could make a bigger window like this. So, but I'm just gonna use the 1 window, and then you can finish it off by putting the 3rd row on top, and then that's the front. And then you just fill in the sides like this. And then you're gonna leave 1, instead of leaving the whole walkway open, you're gonna leave 1 for the door and close it off on the top. But you're not, And then you can put like some kind of door if you want to, but that would probably explode. Depends on what kind of door. Then you finish your bunker, and yeah, so, and watch here. So I'll go inside. This is what it looks like, and you gotta put something inside too. We're gonna put a torch right here and right here, and then if you want, you can. I'm going to make like a little. I'm just gonna make a little couch, but I'm gonna use this color, leather cut copper stairs. I like those. I'm gonna use those. Put them right there, stairs, stairs, but that's kind of like a couch-ish. And then, we're going to just like make it so it looks like that. And then there you have it, your bunker. And this is what it looks like from the outside. That's what it looks like. Okay, see you next time. Please click like and subscribe. See ya. Bye.